Hello, in this video, we are going to update our Google AdSense taxes. The first thing that we need to do is click our browser and then i-type in natin dito yung AdSense. I-open natin yung ating Google AdSense. Ayan, so now that we are in our Google AdSense, meron tayo rito mga notifications sa taas. I-click natin yung ating payments sa left side. Paano ba natin i-update yung ating taxes dito sa ating Google AdSense? Pwede natin i-click dito, itong namumula na to, Manage Tax Info. Kaya siya kulay red dahil kailangan talaga siyang i-update dahil kung hindi natin ito ma-update, masyadong malaki yung tax na kukunin sa atin ni Google sa ating mga earnings. So, i-click natin yung Manage Tax Info and then click natin yung Add Tax Info and then may pop up na window na i-require tayo na mag-login sa ating Google account. Kung ano yung Google account na ginagamit mo sa iyong AdSense. I-login mo lang yung account mo and then mapaprompt ka na dito sa window na to. So, ito na yung ating pag-update. So, the first question is, what type of account are you? So, if you're an individual or non-individual entry. So, individual kapag mag-isa ka lang sa iyong YouTube channel and non-individual entry kapag, halimbawa, business type yung iyong YouTube channel, then ito yung i-click mo. Pero ako, individual ako, so, click yung individual, then click next. The next question is, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Siyempre, di naman ako doon nakatira. Pero kung doon ka nakatira, kailangan mong ilagay ay yes. Click next, and then, select the W8 tax form type. So, mayroong dalawa rito. At ang pipiliin natin is yung W8BEN. And then start W8BEN form. So, sisimulan na natin fill upan yung ating W8BEN tax form. Ilagay lang natin yung ating mga information like name of the individual. O kaya naman kung business type yung iyong YouTube channel, so dito ka sa baba. Okay, optional naman to. So, pwedeng hindi mo siya sagutan kung hindi ka naman business type. Kung individual ka lang, ilagay mo lang yung pangalan mo. And then, i-click natin yung country of citizenship. Syempre, Philippines. And then, kailangan natin ilagay yung ating tax identification number. For foreign kin, ito po yung sa atin. Dito natin ilalagay yung ating tax identification number. Then, click next. So, at this part, ilalagay natin yung ating address. I-tick natin tong box na to. Postal address is the same as the permanent address. Click natin tong box na to kasi parehas lang din naman. Then, lagay natin yung province natin. I am from Rizal. And then, kung tapos na, click next. Now, so ito na yung pagkiklaim natin ng tax treaty. So, meron pong tax treaty ang Pilipinas at ang US. So, kaya natin i-update yung ating tax info ay i-claim natin na meron tayong tax treaty ang Pilipinas at ang US. So, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So, since we are claiming na tayo ay merong tax treaty, so i-click natin yung yes. So, since i-click natin yung yes, ititik din natin tong box na to, resident of the country claiming that there is a treaty with the US. So, click natin yan and then ilagay natin kung ano yung country natin para ma-recognize nila kung ano yung treaty na kiniklaim natin. And then, special rates and conditions. So, dito na tayo. You may be exempt or have taxes withheld at a reduced rate. Dito, i-click lang natin itong services such as Adsense. And then, click natin yung Article 8, Paragraph 1. From 30%, i-reduce natin to into 0%. So, thank you po sa Pilipinas dahil meron silang tax treaty. And then, i-click natin itong box na to. And then, sa motion pictures and TV royalties, yun ulit, Article 13, Paragraph 2A. Then, withheld. So, from 30%, i-reduce natin siya into 15%. Then, i-click lang din natin yung box dito sa baba. And then, other copyright royalties. So, click natin yung box. Lagay natin yung Article 13, Paragraph 2A. And then, i-reduce natin from 30% to 15%. And then, i-click lang natin yung box na to. And then, once you already have filled out correctly the tax identity or the tax treaty, so, click na natin yung next. So, matatapos na tayo. This is how your document will be generated. So, review the 4 PDF forms and confirm your information. Okay, make sure na ma-download natin itong mga forms na to para ma-double check din natin kung tama yung information na nailagay natin sa ating update ng tax form. And then, kung okay na, na-download mo na, then you just have to click I confirm and then click next. So, dito na tayo sa certification. You just have to type in your full legal name. And then, ang question dito is, are you the person listed in the signature section? So, syempre, ako yun. And then, click natin yung next. Okay, so number 6, activities services performed in the US and affidavit. So, no po rito. Lalagay natin. And then, isa-certify lang din natin po iyan. And then, status change affidavit. So, dahil kumikita na yung YouTube natin, so, ilalagay na natin ng I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. And then, isa-certify lang din natin siya. Tick lang natin itong box na to. And then, and that's it. Click submit. Kung tapos na, click submit. So, now we are approved. Approved na yung ating update ng ating tax sa Google AdSense. So, check natin yung email natin. Ayan. So, automatically, meron kang email from Google at click natin yung view tax info. So, yan. Ito na nga yung nakita natin. So, these are the information. So, tingnan ninyo rito. Sa mga motion pictures and TV, ang ating rate is 15%. Sa other copyright, we have 15%. Services, meron tayong 0%. So, yan. So ang updating ng ating tax info is just until May 31, 2021. So, I suggest na i-fill out nyo na itong update ng inyong tax sa Google AdSense para hindi na kayo magka-problema dahil kapag hindi ninyo ito in-update, so tumatagintin na 30% ng tax ang i-deduct sa inyong overall earnings sa inyong YouTube channel. Okay?